We'll guide you through how to private an Instagram account. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. When your Instagram account is private, it means followers can only see your content and you have to approve all your followers. So somebody will request to follow you and you can then approve them. It's a great way of protecting your content and your account. So to go and do this, come to your profile page by clicking in the bottom right on the user icon. Then go to the top right and click on the three lines to open up settings and activity. Scroll down settings and activity into who can see your content, and then you should see the option for account privacy. At the moment it's set to public, but you can go and switch on private account like so. You need to confirm here that only followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and no one can go and reuse your content as well. Now that you've done that, that's it. You can go and review your followers if you wish, and also you can go and see the padlock icon in the top left there. If you found this useful, then leave a like.